Hello, welcome to EPS Rainbow. Previous class study about the planning commission and other things. So let us start with the next chapter is known as the sustainable development goal. The sustainable development goal defined in 2015 and upgraded the million development goal. And sustainable development goals having the 17 goals and having the goals is no poverty, zero hunger and other. So let us begin with this chapter with basic questions. What are the difference between the Millennium Development Goals and Sustainable Development Goals? The Millennium Development Goals were not developed through an intergovernmental process while Sustainable Development Goal developed. These statements are correct. All the Millennium Development Goals are applicable only to developing countries except Millennium Development Goals. What is the Millennium Development Goal 8? Million Development Goal 8 is the global cooperation, so it is both developed country and developing country, which relates to aid and finance. Asking what correct statements, 1 and 2 are correct statements, so answer is C. Which among the following is the major aim of the Perform Hardship Trade Scheme? The Perform Hardship Trade Scheme is to reduce energy consumption in industry sector. So asking correct statement, so answer is A. What is the parameter of Human Development Index? Comprises of literacy rates and life expectancy rates at birth. Another third parameter is known as national income per head in the US dollars. So asking what question, so answer is D. Consider the following statements are correct. Okay. Regarding to 2016 plastic waste management rules framed by the Indian Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, introducing the concept of extended producer responsibility of the waste generation areas, rural areas have been excluded from the rule. This statement is incorrect because rural areas are also included in this. It is mandatory for producers to keep record for vendors to whom they supply raw material for manufacturing packaging plastic. Yes, the minimum thickness of the packaging plastic bag should be increased 40 to 15 micron. The statements are correct. Asking correct statements. So 1, 3, 4. So answer is C. Consider the following statement regarding to activities that will be considered in the new corporate social responsibility rules of the company. Livelihood enhancement and the rural development project is promoting preventing health care and sanitation as well as the safe drinking water available is working towards the protection of the national heritage, art and culture is setting up public libraries also there. Asking what correct statements. So answer is D 1, 2, 3, 4. Consider the following statements regarding to the adaptation of the United Nations Agenda for the World Sustainable Development at the 11th National Convention on the Sustainable Development Goals, organized by the Global Compact Network in the Mumbai. What is the statements are correct? You know that India became the third country in the world, not become the third country in the world formally that adopt the United Nations Agenda for the World Sustainable Development. United States nation had already involved in many private and public sector corporate across the globe to drive development agenda. This is not part of that. Adani Group had adopted the agenda, not adopted the instruments are incorrect also. The agenda focus on the growth and infrastructure under the theme of the people, planet and prosperity there. Asking what correct statements, only 4 are correct statements, so answer is A. This is the old question, so skip that. Consider the following statements. National Mission for Sustaining the Himalaya Ecosystem was launched during the 12th plan. These statements are correct. The National Mission for Sustaining the Himalaya Ecosystem having 12 states, not 10 states, asking or correct statements, so only one, so answer is A. Which of the following statements are correct about the inauguration of the 40 kilowatt solar power plant launched by the Oil India Limited in December 2016? The power plant will supply electricity to an ecotourism project in Dibrugarh, Jammu district of the Assam. These statements are incorrect. The plant has launched the under Sony Marvel Ecotourism Project here. The project was undertaken under the company's corporate social responsibility initiative. Asking what correct statements, or 2 and 3 correct statements, answer C. India's largest solar power plant has been launched in the beach of the following state, that is the Madhya Pradesh. The Rewa solar power plant is recently added, so answer is C. Who among the following has become the first rail system in the world to award the energy efficiency? In the energy efficiency, Delhi Metro awarded as that. So asking for correct statement, so only A is correct answer, so answer is A. This is the old question, so skip that. Which of the following is the objective of the National Watershed Development Project on rented areas of India? What is that? The sustainable farming system, yes. Integrated watershed management, yes. Reclamation of the forest is not there. So asking what correct statements, 1, 2 are correct statements, so both A and B are correct, so answer is D. Which of the following are the 17 new sustainable development goals? Conserve and sustainably use the oceans, seas and the marine resources, yes. Reduce inequality within the among countries, yes. Take urgent action to combat climate change and its impact is also there. Asking what correct statements, so 1, 2, 3 are correct statements, so answer is D. Consider the following statements are correct. Kerala tourism has been conferred the United Nations Award for creating innovative initiative for sustainable tourism. Yes, this is the first time for the India, not second time, has won the recognition. First time these statements are incorrect. Asking for correct statements, only one, so answer is A. This is the old question, so skip that. Consider the following statement. National Green Tribunal was established in 2010 years. It was established for effective and expeditious disposal of the cases related to environment protection, conservation of forest and other natural resources. Yes. The National Green Tribunal running can be challenged in the Supreme Court, not High Court. Asking our correct statements, 1 and 2 are correct statements, so answer is C. What does the term green shoots represent in the economy? Good green shoots is represent in economy the sign of the economic recovery during an economic downturn. So asking what statements only be. Consider the following statement. National Action Plan on the Climate Change was framed in 2008, not 2010. Okay, so first statements are incorrect. The capacity building scheme coordinate with the National Action Plan on Climate Change. These statements are correct. Asking what correct statements, so only B, so 2, so answer is B. Next question. Sustainable Development Goals targets are to be achieved in 2020. The answer is C. Thank you for discussion.